Hello friends, this is my theorem that the triangle behaved 18 degree and 72 degree angles. The length of the side in front of 18, that is multiplies by under root 5 plus under root 20, and that comes the length of the side in front of 72 angle. That means side BC is equal to side AB into all under root 5 plus under root 20. To prove it, I pull a line from A point to D on BC, and here I make angle BAD as 18 and ADB as 72, and then the length of the side in front 18 degree we think as x, and then we multiply this side that is in front of 18 by y. This side length that in front of 18, the length multiplies by y, and we think that is the length of 72 degree angles. That means 18 degrees in front side BD as x, and it is multiplied by y, and that comes the xy. That comes xy, that is the length of the side in front of 72 angle. This is small triangle, this is big triangle, small triangles. This is behaved also 18 and 72 degree, but this is a part of this big triangle, and we make 18 degrees in front x multiplies by y and get the length of the side in front of 72 degree, that is xy. Now we are going to think a whole triangle. This is AB is xy. We put here as xy, and it is in front of 18 degree, that xy is. So to get the length of BC, that is in front of 72, we should multiply this length that is in front of 18 by y. So xy, when we multiply by y, that comes xy square, and that is the length of 72 degree. 18 degrees in front side we are multiplies by y. 18 degrees in front side here it can also multiplies by y. This is x, this is multiplied by y and come xy. In whole triangle this is xy, and this is also multiplies by y and come the side BC. BD is equal to x, AB is equal to xy, and BC is equal to xy square. Yeah. This is, and then we take the measurement of AD by Pythagoras theorem. That is AD is equal to x under root y square plus 1. Squares plus and under root x y square plus 1. And then we pull a line from A to E on BC and makes the angle DAE as 36, and so the DEA becomes as 36, and this triangle becomes two same side triangle, and these sides AD and DE are same. So AD is xy square plus 1, so DE is also xy square plus 1, x under root y square plus 1. And now we think about this triangle. This is 18 degree, and this is also 18 degree, because this is 36, this is 18. We plus it, that is 54, and whole this angle is 72. We minus 54 in 72, and that comes 18, and this is also two same side triangle, and we get the measurement of AE by Pythagoras theorem. That is the that length is the we get the length of AD's measurement, and that is the of side E series measurement, because these two sides are same. So to get AE measurement, side E's measurement, we have to BE square, AB square plus it and under root it. It is in the two parts. So BD and D mix and squares, and this squares, and that is under root. That comes AE, that is AE is equal, and so AE is equal to EC, and that comes, this is comes. So this is the measurement of BC. What is this three part of this side, that is BD, BDE and EC, and we can plus it, and that is the measurement of BC. And here we have taken already the measurement of BC's first measurement. This is second measurement, that these three sides we are plusing, and that is the measurement of BC. And here when we thought in front of 18x multiplies by y, in front of 18 is xy, and 72 is in front side, by multiplying this AB, and we have gotten this BC's first measurement, that xy square. So xy, these BC's two measurements are here, that is BC is equal to xy square, first measurement, and second, that is three sides, the part of BC's three sides, we have to plus it. These are measurements of that, and so these two measurements are of BC, that these measurements are same. So this algebra solution comes, and when we solve this problem, that comes y is equal to under root 5 plus under root 20, and that is 3.0776. That comes 3.0776, and it is the main thing. And I check it, and that is become correct. And now the theory that this is when we multiplies by x multiplies by y, and xy multiplies by y and come xy square, I am giving you another example to you prove it that this is correct. In the triangle 30-60 behaved, this is AB is multiplies by under root 3, AB multiplies by under root 3, and that is the length of BC. That is old theorem. Not I have found it. This is old theorem, but I am giving the example that how it becomes. So we make this 60. This is also 60, and we make this 60. So it becomes 60. So these three sides come same, and this is 30. So this is 30. So these two sides are same. So these four sides are same, and that means AB. This is BC is equal to AC. This is of this lines double. So AC is equal to AB into 2. This is double, and that means BC is equal to AB under root 3 comes. That is our old theorem. Here AB, AG, and BG and GC are same. So, and I am reaching this root 3 by my way, my theory. We pull a line from A to D on BC and make this angle here as 30, the 60, all 60 here, and in front of 30 we think as x, in front of 60 we multiply this side by y, in front of 30, that is multiplies by y, and that comes the side in front of 60 we think. So this is x and this is come xy, and in this theory this is also come xy square, because in front of 30 we had multiplies by y. Here also in front of 30 is xy, this xy here, and this is multiplies by y to take the measurement of BC, that is in front of 60. So here comes xy square, and that is the first measurement of BC in this triangle also. And then we take the measurement of uh, AD by Pythagoras theorem, and that is also comes x under y square plus 1, square squares plus and under, so comes x y square plus 1. And then we got two measurement of BC. This is xy square, and this is also BC, BD plus DC, BD plus DC. So BC is equal to BD plus DC, and that is x plus xy square plus 1. These are two of measurement of BC, xy square and x plus xy square plus 1. So these two measurement of BC are same. So xy square is equal to x plus x under root y square plus 1 becomes, and y is equal to root 3 comes. And I prove it that this is my theory to thought in front that angle is this angle. Here take, and in front of think at x, whole angle take here, and that is multiplies by y. And in whole triangle in front of this, and that is also multiplies by xy, y, and that is come xy square. This theory is correct, I want to say. These are my details. And I am giving the key of this my theory. What is the key here? Here in 30, 60 and 90. This is 30, this is 60, and this is x. We take 30 in front x. This is xy. So this xy multiplies by y, and xy square comes. But what is the theory key of this? That in this triangle, this angle to come here, this whole angle come here, and this angle come here also, and that is the last triangle's angle. This is the first triangle, but it is also last. So this come here, this come here, and this 60 will come here, and so this become the side, two same side triangle. And when we get the measurement of this side, it is come here. So this measurement and this measurement, two measurements comes. Another example that I have solved it. In 1872, 18 comes the first triangle's first angle. Last triangle, this is last triangle, this is not, this is. So this angle come here also, and this full angle comes here, and here another that is the these two angles relationship is, it is divided by 2 and come here, and here it is divided by 2 and come here. It is divided by 2 second time and come here this angle. This is the relations of that. These angles are going half. This going half, this going half. And then this angle, this sides measurement come here. This sides measurement come here. And in another example, another theorem, that in 10, this is 80. This is also another theorem. That is also this theory, this key. This is x, this is xy, this is xy. In front of 10x, in front of 80 is xy, in front of 10 is xy, 80 in front xy. This is come xy. All the time xy square repeated. Here also xy square, here also xy square. This is repeated. But the second measurement, that of parts, that is come different. Here come two measurement of BC's second measurement. here BC second measurement comes 3 parts. And this is comes root 3. This comes root 5 plus under root 5 plus under root 8. And here that comes extra 3 triangle. And this angle 10 comes here also. First triangles angle and last triangles angle. Here are 2 triangles. These are first and second. But this is the last triangle. It should come here. And all this 80 come here. And the relationship of 60 divided by 2 come here. 72 divided by 2. 36 divided by 2. Here also 80 divided by 2. 40 come here. 40 divided by come 20 here. 20 divided by 2 come 10 here. And so when we get the measurement of AD by is squares and plus and under root. So it measurement comes here. And then it measurements come here. And its measurement comes here. And we are taking by Pythagoras theorem, this is it is mixed squares and its squares under root, this comes, this is here, these all 3 squares, this is squares, mix under root, it comes. So this is the way. When we get this is when we take the 2 measurements, 3, and here comes 4 measurement of BCs. So that is xy square first measurement, and second measurement is xy square plus 1, x2y square plus 2 plus 2y square plus and plus all 3 mix it here, 1 2 3 mix and squares, and this side squares and all under root. This is the big algebra equation, and that comes when we solve the y's cost. And that y's cost, when we solve this, that first it comes here, and I cannot go, I cannot forward it, but I can reach here, that y raised to 8 minus 36 y raised to 6 plus 126 y raised to 4 minus 84 y raised to 2 plus 9 is equal to 0. This is, I reach here, and you can solve it. The algebra masters, mathematician masters can solve it and get the cost of y. And that y cost, you have to multiply this side, and AB multiplies by that cost. That is the perfect cost of y, that multiplies by this line AB, and come the measurement of the side in front of 80. Here is the key, and I hope that you have understood it. Please help me and please accept it, and I will give any another questions answer, but I say to you that I am very simple. You are experts, so this is not a big theory. So you have understood it 100%. Thank you very much to see this video. Thank you very much.